Hello guys, I'm in the diecast cave and today we are going to unbox the cheapest 5-pack I have ever found. It's this one, the Nissan 5-pack. I found it in the Lidl in Belgium for only 4 euros and 19 cents. That's extremely cheap and that's what we like. Let's take a closer look at it. Maybe we first check the back to see which cars are in here. We have the Datsun 620, the Nissan Fairlady Z, Nissan Silvia S13, the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32, and the Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX. Such a long name. The pack is from 2022, maybe 2023, that's also possible. That's the back. Freeze the image if you want to see more. And this is the front of the pack. The purple one has to be my favorite, but it's behind the sticker, so we need to unbox it. Okay, so now that we have unboxed the pack, we can take the cars out of it one by one to take a close look at them. First, we have the Datsun 620 in a nice blue sea green color. Number 72 on the side. Plastic headlights. Sadly, no tail lights, but the nice Datsun logo on the back. Pretty cool car. Okay, up next we have the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 in red. Pretty sick casting. Oh, it has taillights, that's cool. Also the GTR and Skyline logo on the back. A racing stripe on the roof. HKS logo, Hot Wheels logo, and some other brands. Okay, that's pretty cool. As the third car, we have the Nissan Skyline HT 2000, I think. Nissan Skyline, yes, 2000 GTX. In a nice purple shiny color. The Hot Wheels logo over there. White rims. No taillights. And no headlights, okay. But it has some blinkers, that's something. Okay, still a pretty cool car. Then we have in white with Chinese symbols, we have the Nissan Silvia S13. Okay, very interesting casting. Again, no headlights. We want to see more headlights, Hot Wheels. But it has taillights, okay. Silvia logo on the back. Pretty cool. I like this one. Oh. And last but not least, we have the Nissan Fairlady Z, I believe. Let's check it out. Yes, the Nissan Fairlady Z in orange with black stripes. Oh. Also the number 80 on the side, the Hot Wheels logo. No taillights, but I mean, they are from plastic, so it's basically taillights. And then again, no headlights. But okay, that's normal for a cheap Hot Wheels spec. And then the Nissan logo on the roof, and again the number 80. So these are the 5 cars that came out of the pack. I will make a quick top 5, my personal top 5, so you guys know what I like the most. Okay, I think at number 5, the car I like the least, I will put this one, the Nissan Fairlady Z. We'll put that one here. Okay. At number 4, I'll take the R32. I think it was the R32. Yes, R32. It has a nice color, but I don't really like the shape of the car, to be honest. Sorry, GDM lovers, but that's my personal opinion. Okay, then we have the pickup truck, the Datsun 620, on the third place. In second place, it's a tough decision, but I'll take this one. That's I think, the Nissan Silvia S13. Yes, that's true. I will put that one there. And at my number one, personal number one, I take the Nissan Skyline H2 2000 GTR in purple. It's a classic car. I love the shape of it, and it has a perfect color. We'll put that one in place 1. So we are at the end of the video. It's the first time that I make this kind of content where I just talk about the cars I unbox. Let me know what you guys think about it. I think it's a more enjoyable way to watch our videos. So let me know what you guys think about it, and maybe I make more content like this.